Welcome back to Project Management Insights. Today we're taking a deep dive into a concept crucial for any project with tangible outputs: configuration management. It's about knowing exactly what makes up your final product and how to keep it consistent, especially when things change. What is configuration? We use the term configuration to describe all the individual products, components, or elements that collectively form our project's final output. Let's think of some examples. If you're building an IT system, its configuration would consist of all the various software modules, databases, integrations, and user interfaces that make up that final piece of software. Or if you're developing a training course, the configuration would relate to all the different slide presentations, the detailed course notes, exercises, and perhaps even the trainer guides. This concept of configuration is incredibly important. Without it, imagine trying to get a spare part for anything. Consider your car. When you need new brakes, the manufacturer maintains a precise list of all the parts that make up your specific make and model. That's configuration. It's how your garage is able to order the correct brakes, ensuring compatibility and safety for your vehicle. So what is configuration management? It's formally defined as the technical and administrative activities concerned with the creation, maintenance, and controlled change of the configuration throughout the project's entire lifecycle. In simple terms, it's about ensuring that you know exactly what you have, where it is, and what its status is. This starts from the very beginning of the project, through development to its final delivery, and often beyond into operation. This discipline is absolutely critical for preventing chaos when managing complex deliverables. It helps us with version control, knowing precisely which version of a product or component is the current one. Traceability, understanding how different components fit together and where they originated. Change impact, accurately assessing the full impact of any proposed changes before they're implemented. Consistency, ensuring that all delivered items match the agreed-upon specifications. Configuration management is typically broken down into 5 main activities that work together seamlessly to achieve its goals. Planning. This is where you define the strategy and procedures for how you'll manage your project's configuration. Identification. This involves pinpointing and thoroughly documenting all the individual components that make up your project's configuration. Control. This is about managing changes to the configuration in a systematic, disciplined way. This links directly to the change control process we've discussed before. Status accounting. This means continuously recording and reporting on the current status of all configuration items and any changes that have occurred. Verification and audit. Finally, this activity involves checking that the physical configuration of your product matches the documented configuration and that your configuration management processes are being followed correctly. Understanding and effectively implementing these 5 activities are crucial for any project, particularly those with complex deliverables or where changes are frequent. By systematically managing your project's configuration, you gain invaluable control and ensure that your final output is precisely what it was designed to be, meeting all requirements and expectations. That's all for today's episode. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into the world of project management. Until next time, keep your projects governed and on track.